Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and start off by chopping up our veg, about a 1/4 inch thick. Then we gonna do some bell peppers, and we just gonna rough chop those. Get us a red onion, and we just gonna chop him up. You know, we want nice hearty pieces. And the same with some celery, y'all. Now in the large pot, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna add in our veg and get those sweating on down, y'all. And of course we got to rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little fresh pepper. Then let's give that a mix. So while our veg is cooking down, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our rabbit. Now, I didn't showed you guys how to cut up a rabbit before. I'll put a link in the eye above of my other rabbit video. Show you exactly how to break a rabbit down. But anyway, let's get back to this recipe. Now we're gonna let this veg sweat down. And then we're gonna move it to the back eye. And we're gonna bring in our smaller pot. And we're gonna bring that up to a boil, and we're gonna get in our rabbit. Now in this pot, I've seasoned this with some salt, some cayenne pepper, some basil, and some oregano. And we're gonna let that rabbit simmer for about 10 minutes in that pot while our veg is steady breaking down in the back. Now after 10 minutes, our veg is looking good. Our rabbit then broke down a good bit. So we're gonna move that larger pot to the front, and we're gonna pour everything into the larger pot. The rabbit, all that seasoning and juice, yeah, we need all that. And then we're gonna add a can of tomato paste. Then we're gonna mix that all together, and we're gonna let this simmer for approximately 30 minutes, give or take. You don't want no overcooked rabbit though. And once it's done simmering down, this is what she look like. She looking good. I done got hungry. But anyway, y'all, let's play it up. Now look at that gorgeous piece of rabbit leg right there. And we serving this over some couscous. Now, if you've never tried couscous, hey, you gotta give it a try, y'all. That's some good. Ooh, yeah. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.